Okay, here we have today's BA Falcon, and the gear shift cable is not doing what it's supposed to be doing, so it'll have a cable that's come off and worn in the ball socket. So we're going to do a replacement with an aftermarket kit that fixes this problem. So we'll have to pull this console out and do this repair. So we've got to pull these side covers off and pull this console up, and then we'll go from there. Righto, we've got the center console out. Actually pulled the seat out to get a better access to the handbrake to get it out. And then, as you can see here, see how this has come off here? So there's our issue. You can get a video of it, but the actual ball, you had to cut the top off, and then you pull all the bits and pieces that are all broken out, and then you're left with this here. This is your kit here. You get these two, and then you get some circlips. So what you got to do is you've got to put that on first, and then you'll see that this will go on like that. That's your, with the ball socket all taken out. You put this in here. Goes in, and then you got a circlip that'll drop in over there. Now we've got gears. We've got gears again, so saves replacing the whole cable. Yeah, so from these guys here.